In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about monitoring tools with a focus on Prometheus, Grafana, and Datadog for the year 2025. As technology continues to evolve, having robust monitoring solutions is essential for managing Kubernetes environments effectively. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses, so let's dive in to help you determine which might be the best fit for your needs. First, let's explore Prometheus. Prometheus is known for giving you a high degree of control and flexibility. It's particularly beneficial if you're looking for a tool that you can customize as per your architecture's specific requirements. One of its advantages is the strong query language, PromQL, which allows you to extract precisely the data you need. However, it does come with its own set of disadvantages. For instance, it's not the best choice if you're looking for a more plug-and-play solution. Prometheus requires quite a bit of setup and manual intervention. Next, we have Grafana, which you can think of as an interface into analytics. Grafana shines in terms of visualization, making it easier to interpret the data collected by Prometheus and similar tools. The customization it offers in terms of dashboards is impressive, allowing you to tailor your views to best suit your monitoring needs. But while Grafana excels at displaying data, it doesn't handle data collection on its own, meaning you still need another system like Prometheus for that. Now let's turn our attention to Datadog, a comprehensive monitoring tool that operates on a subscription model. Datadog stands out because it's an all-in-one solution, often favored by businesses willing to pay for a service that minimizes the hassle of integrating and managing multiple separate systems. Datadog provides detailed and insightful analytics out of the box, with support for a wide array of integrations. However, this convenience comes at a cost, not just in terms of subscription fees, but also in the potential complexity of navigating its extensive suite of features. Having explored these tools individually, a common consideration across all of them is setting up monitoring specifically for Drupal applications. For Kubernetes environments running Drupal, getting your monitoring right is crucial to managing performance and uptime effectively. Setting up Grafana involves configuring data sources and creating dashboards for visualization, whereas with Datadog, although setup can be more straightforward, you'll need to verify that its features align with your scale and budget needs. In conclusion, choosing between Prometheus, Grafana, and Datadog boils down to what you prioritize most in your monitoring solution, be it control, visualization, or an all-in-one service. As you deliberate over these options, consider your organization's specific requirements and operational capacity. This will be instrumental in guiding your decision on the most suitable tool for efficient and effective monitoring. We hope this breakdown has been informative and aids you in making a well-informed choice for your monitoring strategy.